So this question, he says a square floor is formed with the small square tiles with the side length of 2 units. On the edges, the tiles are made of granite and interior tiles are made of marble. So let me just talk about it here. Let us say there are L tiles, on this side, L tiles on this side. So I can say the total number of tiles is equal to L square. But he says on the edges we have granite tiles. So on the edges, how many tiles are there? Of course, L tiles are here in this line. L tiles are here in this line. But now in this line you have L minus 2 tiles, because of course one tile is taken out from here, one tile is taken out already here. Similarly, in this side you will have L minus 2. So the total number of granite tiles, you can say, is equal to L plus L minus 2 plus L minus 2. It is equal to 4L minus 4. Whereas the total number of marble tiles is how many? The number of marble tiles, if you can calculate, they are inside it. That is total L square minus 4L minus 4. Their ratio is given as 7 is to 9. So let's try to solve them. Granite is 4L minus 4. Total is L square minus 4L plus 4. And they are in a ratio of 7 is to 9. Cross multiply 36L minus 36 is equal to 7L square minus 28L plus 28, or 7L square, 36L goes on the other side, it is minus 64L, and 36 plus 64 is equal to 0. 7L square minus 64 plus 64 is equal to 0. I just have to solve this equation to get our answer. So what is the value of L from here? So we have 64 into L. We have to find some value of L. So it is minus B plus minus root over B square, that is 4096, minus 4 into A into C. So this divided by 2A. 2A, that is equal to 40. If I solve it, it is 64 plus minus 4096 minus 28 into 64. If you try to solve it, how much would you get? It is 36 into 64, that is equal to 48 divided by 14. So I will have two values from here, 64 plus 48, that is 112 by 14, that is 8, or 64 minus 48, that is equal to 16 by 14, which would be not as an integer. 16 by 14 is not a possibility. I would remove that. So I would say from here L is equal to 8. If L is equal to 8, that means the total length would be equal to 16 from here, because they are of side length 2, right? This length would also be equal to 16. Question is asking you that find the perimeter of the floor. So 16 here, 16 here, the perimeter of floor is 4 times of the side. So 4 times of the side is 64. For a square, the perimeter is given by 4 times the side. So 64 is the correct answer for this question. Calculation wise, it became a bit lengthy, so I would say slightly towards the moderate side question. Though I mean say concept wise, it was not a very difficult question. So 64 is the right answer for this.